Winbro Group is a manufacturer of advanced machine tools, non-conventional, so EDM, laser, Viper grinding and electrochemical machines. We have three areas to our business. The first is the design and manufacture of the equipment. The second is the global aftermarket support. And the third and newest area of our business is precision component manufacturing. So we have three systems in Winbro Group at the moment. In our aftermarket division, we use the CNC 300, and in our component manufacturing now we have two Vantage 450s. As Winbro Advanced Machining, our WAM division, has gained more and more parts in both aerospace and industrial gas turbine, we've gone back to OGP for, again, turnkey solutions. So we've not bought the hardware this time, but we've bought additional programming and help for parts that we weren't necessarily familiar with. And again, OGP have been very responsive in that area. Ultimately, the speed of inspection versus production, so we were able to take parts straight off the machine. Whilst the second part was being machined or being drilled, the first part would go into the inspection lab, and within less than 10 minutes, feedback was given straight to the operator to be able to control the process. We were able to get a much more quality inspection report real time, such that we were no more than one part away from an issue. OGP offered a full turnkey system, so we were able to give one or two of the components that we just won with our customers and work with OGP for them to develop the software, the programs, such that those programs were fully verified with the equipment. The equipment was drop shipped into our factory, and then we used that as the way in which we accepted the parts, the programs, and delivered the training. Training predominantly was at Winbro, but our experts had some time at OGP in the UK, particularly as we were moving from the MeasureMind software over to the new and the later Zone 3 software. During the development of the new parts, this is engineering, you often have hiccups, and what we found is that OGP were very responsive, and either were same day or next day, we were able to get that responsiveness to work together to get through technical problems and solutions. And I think that for me was a game changer. It's more than just buying the hardware and equipment. It's really how you utilise and get the most out of it. I think any company that's looking to move from a manual measurement process into a non-contact optical measurement, they should go out and look at what are the options available in the market. However, our experience with OGP over the last 8 years has been very positive, both in terms of service, calibration, responsiveness to technical issues. And I think that kind of relationship is, you feel like you're addressing the problems together rather than, okay, we've bought the equipment now and it's all over to you. We feel as though the relationship is ongoing, as a partnership would be and should be.